Hello everyone! Today we're diving into a fascinating project, cleaning up and restoring an abandoned house. This house has been left unattended for many years, allowing plants to grow wild and cover almost every inch of the space, from the pathway to each corner of the house. Join us as we witness the fascinating transformation of this house from an abandoned space to a vibrant area. First, we'll begin by tackling the thick overgrowth of wild grass surrounding the outside of the house. This thick layer of tall grass had grown out of control, reaching as high as the roof and making it extremely difficult to move around and clean up. To handle this effectively, we'll use a high-powered lawnmower, ensuring we can trim down to the roots, creating a flat and clear surface. Though the work seems simple, it requires patience to ensure each section is fairly clean. Each area we tackle, we immediately gather and sort the leftover vegetation for proper disposal. The grass is cut short and collected into small piles, ready to be transported away, leaving no patches of dead grass behind that would detract from the scenery. It's not only grass, but also dead, dried out tree stumps that have been here for ages. We'll cut them down to ground level to keep the space neat and prevent weeds from regrowing. The hum of the mower fills the air as clumps of tall grass fall, revealing the ground underneath, hidden for so long by the thick vegetation. Watching the thick grass disappear under our hands, the space around the house feels revived, returning to its original clean, open state. There's still plenty of work ahead, but each step reveals visible, positive changes. The thick vines have spread across the walls of the house, clinging tightly from the ground all the way to the roof, forming a dense, dark green covering. Over time, these dense vines have seeped into every crack and crevice, invading large sections of the walls and making the original surfaces nearly unrecognizable. Once we've finished cleaning the exterior, we'll move inside to tackle the overgrown plants and accumulated dirt. Stepping inside, it feels like a miniature forest has taken over. To restore both the appearance and durability of the building, we'll need to carefully and patiently remove each strand, pulling up every root embedded in the walls to ensure that not a single piece is left behind, especially where vines have wedged deeply into the cracks. We'll carefully work through this, removing the thick layers of roots that have firmly gripped the ground, entwined deeply in the soil, and woven together into large patches. This dense root layer has created a thick and complex plant mat across the floor. With each layer of roots and soil removed, the interior space begins to transform, revealing a cleaner, more open environment. The soil and roots we clear are carefully sorted and transported outside for proper disposal, avoiding piles of debris inside. Corners previously overtaken by plant growth are now slowly reclaimed, restoring the house's clean and original look. Cleaning the inside of the house is labor-intensive, but with each step, we can see a noticeable difference. From a dark, cold space dominated by plants, the house is slowly regaining its brightness and simplicity. After so much effort and dedication, the house is finally complete, now radiating new life. Thank you all for watching, supporting, and following along with us on this journey. Subscribe to the channel to not miss other interesting videos.